Welcome to Cave and Take Care. Xbox Series S. Yes, Xbox Series S. HDMI port damage. Want to repair? And have a look how long take me to repair the HDMI port. I have timer here. I'm going to time it up because I'm going to fast forward the video. It's not too much to say. Just a fast forward the video that you can say how long it take to do it the HDMI port and Xbox Series S. So I got my tools sort of ready and have a look how long it take it. Let me put that one first in. This is never been repaired before, never been open. So it means fresh installation and repair for the Xbox HDMI port. What the stupid glove say? Oh. It feels like something else. Okay, we got 4:45. I'm shut in 45 minutes and I am very comfortable to do it before that time. However, let's find out. Alright guys, now I'm going to start to repair and fast forward, and hopefully you are going to enjoying the video. But I say I have everything ready what I need. I hope so. Oh, 1 second, let me need this one, need this one, and of course this one, my favorite one. That's it. Alright guys, we started now. So guys, 32 minutes and 42 seconds. It is long, but could go down less, but it's okay. The question is testing it and have a look, is it working? I'm very sure it's working, but however, just look, testing it quickly. A function. So let's turn on this display, change to the display, have a look. Okay, this is the different color is because my resolution is not the right one. That reason is not mean it's dumb, is the something with the HDMI port. This is the resolution of my card. There you go. I've changed it now that you can see it's perfectly working. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the how you change the PlayStation, or I say PlayStation again, Xbox Series S, less over half an hour. You know where to go, www.k1techcare.com. If you have question or you like to send your repair, all the information what you need is there. I hope you enjoyed the video and hopefully see you in next video soon. Thank you for watching, take care and see you next time.